Well, after the quietest start on record to the tornado season in Oklahoma, it looks as if the atmosphere is playing catch-up with a pretty big day the last few days, in fact, across Oklahoma and Kansas. Thanks for clicking on to the Tuesday edition of Vogan's US Outlook. We've just simply not had all the ingredients coming together this spring for tornado activity, and of course, as of May 1st, that was the first time we've ever went through a calendar year up until the 30th of April where we've not seen a tornado touchdown in Oklahoma. There's only 3 occasions where Kansas has not seen a tornado to date through April, and so it has been a pretty remarkable open to the severe weather season across the lower 48. Cooler drought conditions have been helping keep the atmosphere just a little bit tamer, but unfortunately now that we're starting to heat things up, moisten things up, we're getting a collision between warm and cold, dry and wet, you're starting to see the atmosphere begin to bubble up, as would typically be the case at this time of the year. And unfortunately, some of the slow tornado years that have started off slow unfortunately have caught up, and we've seen some very devastating tornadoes. You only have to look back at 2013, slow start, but unfortunately on May 20th we've seen the devastating EF5 Moore tornado, which essentially wiped out the community. And it's amazing actually when you look back at that particular location. It has been devastated at least twice, 1999, 2013, and I think there was another occasion as well where Moore on the outskirts of Oklahoma City has been essentially wiped out by a tornado. What the moral of my story is that I'm concerned that with the slow start this year, we catch up and we see some devastation later on in the month of May and June. The pattern is becoming a little bit more favourable for severe weather as we go forward. So you can see here as I skip through the GFS, things are relatively quiet. We've got systems further north. We don't have an awful lot of action over Oklahoma and North Texas. But you notice here as we skip through the remainder of this week and in particularly to next weekend and beyond, we start to see these areas of low pressure digging a little bit further south. So you're starting to see these areas of low pressure exit the southern Rockies. We're pulling warm moisture up from the Gulf of Mexico. We're drawing colder down from Canada, or chillier at least. So all the ingredients are starting to come together, and next week, watch this, how things light up. We've got areas of low pressure down across the southern plain states. We're starting to see the activity bubble up over North Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and this is a pattern that is becoming a little bit more active as we go through mid and late May. So you can see here we're kind of repeating things as we go through the sequence here. Areas of low pressure, you notice here, always just to the northwest of Texas, west of Oklahoma, and of course that is the prime zone for a lot of action to the east of that over the heart of Tornado Alley. So slow start, yes, record breaking start, but unfortunately I do have concerns for later down the road that things are going to get a little bit more lively as we go through the rest of the spring season. Hope you have a great day, and I'll be back in the next few days with more. Bye for now.